Hello guys, it's Simon here, and today we're going to go over discrete random variables. So let's say we have a discrete random variable x, and in this example, let's say that all the x values are the amount of money that you can win in a casino, and they each have their own probabilities. So the probability of winning $1 is 0.15, the probability of winning $3 is 0.25, and so on. And here we don't know the probability of winning $10, but it's easy because you know that they all have to add up to 1. So let's do 0.15 plus 0.25, that's 0.4. This is 0.5. So this all adds up to 0.9. So then this one has to be 0.1. Now, the expectation, E of x, of a discrete random variable, it's also notated by this symbol, just like the mean. And you can think of it as just the expected value that you're going to win on average. And its formula is really similar to the mean. It's just like instead of dividing it by the amount of terms, you multiply by the probability. I'm going to show it to you now. So basically, you multiply all the x values, or you multiply the x value by its probability, and you just add all of that up. And that looks like this. Just xi times pi and take the sum of it. And in this case, it's 0.15 plus 3 times 0.25 plus 4 times 0.3 plus 7 times 0.2 plus 10 times 0.1, and that is equal to 4.5. Now the variance, once again, the only difference is that instead of dividing it by amount of terms, you multiply the probability. So once again, there are two different versions, and the second one is easier to use. I'm still going to give you both of them. Here you take the difference between the x value, between each x value and the mean, square it, do it for each of them, and multiply by the probability each time. And the next one is easier to use. You take each x value squared times its probability, all of that, minus the expectation squared. So we're going to find the variance of this thing, of this discrete random variable now. So 1 squared times 0.15 plus 3 squared times 0.25 plus 4 squared times 0.3 plus 7 squared times 0.2 plus 10 squared times 0.1, and all of that minus the mean squared minus 4.5 squared. And that's going to be equal to 6.75. And once again, the standard deviation, it's this symbol right here. It's just a square root of the variance. So standard deviation is square root of 6.75 for this one. That was it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.